we say Jesus was not God, nor was he the Son of God, nor was he the part of a Trinity, nor was he crucified. He was an honored messenger, born to Mary without a father, by the instruction of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the power of the Creator, who had before him already created Adam and Eve, and who had created every single one of us. The power of the same Maker created Jesus and allowed him to speak from the cradle, and clarified who he was, and gave him the Torah, and gave him the Bible, and told him to teach the people. And later on he had so many miracles that were manifest with his hands, that Allah had granted him permission to do and to show the people. Those who accepted were successful, and those who rejected had failed. And thereafter they planned to kill him, and when they planned to kill him, they were in confusion as to who exactly they crucified, because Allah took him away well before they could harm him. That in a nutshell is the life of Isa alayhi salam.